Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And Netflix is leading the FAANG stocks and the stock market higher today. As you can see, it jumped over 5% on news that really they're going to increase their monthly subscription price anywhere from 13 to 18%, which would be their largest increase they've ever had in their 10 years of existence as a streaming service. If everybody remembers in the old days, they used to mail you DVDs. Chart analysis score right now stands at plus 70. That red monthly trade triangle is still on board at 310.92, and it still has some work to do to give us a new green monthly trade triangle, which would come in around, but it is trading back above both its 200-day and 50-day moving averages, so things look good for Netflix moving forward. Back out of here, and as you can see, all of the FAANG stocks are up over 1%, including Apple, who's been taking an absolute beating lately. And if you remember, this was really the engine that drove stocks higher last year, and once they came under pressure, really led the fall lower. So I always like to keep them in a portfolio here by themselves, where I can just kind of keep track of what's going on with them at any given day. With Netflix moving higher and pushing the stock market higher, we actually got new green weekly trade triangles on both the Dow and S&P 500. And we'll take a look at the S&P 500 first. Got that new green weekly trade triangle I talked about last week at 2,597.82, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 70 with a red monthly and a green weekly trade triangle, indicating that overall we are now in a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Key level to watch will be 2,346.58. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible short position for the S&P 500. Dollar index currently up almost 0.5% at 0.4%, trading at 95.95. However, chart analysis score still plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the US dollar. Key level to watch would be 97.11. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones issuing that new green weekly trade triangle at 24,014.78. Currently trading just above 24,000 on the day with a chart analysis score plus 70. Key level to watch will be 21,712.53. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a possible short position for the Dow. The S&P 500 and Dow are both trading well below their 50-day moving averages, so they still got some work to do to get back above those levels. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ's trading right at it, currently trading at 6,988.68 with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the NASDAQ as well. And your key level to watch will be 6,190.17. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a possible short position for the NASDAQ. Crude oil's having a comeback day after three straight days of losses. Currently trading at 51.99, above its 50-day moving average, with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 52.16. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term long position for crude oil. Gold continuing to sit right around that 1,290 level, currently where it's trading today. Issued a red daily trade triangle at 1287 in early trading this morning. Currently relatively unchanged on the day. It's been floating between 3-day high and 3-day low. Currently chart analysis scores plus 85 with a green monthly and a green weekly trade triangle, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still heading higher for gold. It's just coming under some recent weakness. Key level to watch will be 1,294.70. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position in the short-term time frame for gold. We'll back it out, take a look at Bitcoin. Currently down a little over 1% on the day, trading at 3,633.12 with a chart analysis score negative 85 after it issued a new red weekly trade triangle that I gave you at 3,503.44, indicating that we have entered a long-term downtrend again for Bitcoin. Key level to watch will be 4,236.84. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. Key level to watch will still be that 200-week moving average, which stands at 3,251.94. A move below that could push Bitcoin lower and test that December low of 3,122 as the bears would firmly take hold of Bitcoin there. With that, every success. Have a great trading week. I'll be back later in the week to give you some key levels to watch.